Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix battery drain on the Honor Magic V6. So as you guys can see here, I got the phone. Now if you want to go and fix your battery drain, what you guys want to do is go into the settings, and in the settings we want to scroll down until you see battery. Now in the battery, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and here we want to check the battery use. So let me quickly unplug the phone from charging. Once it is unplugged, what are we going to do is we're going to check the battery usage. So for example, we can't do anything about the Honor Home. We can only force stop it, but I wouldn't recommend it. Here we have the contacts. This is also a system app, so we cannot do anything about it. But Chrome, for example, we can force stop it. And of course, if you have any more battery settings, just like here, you should see the system optimization. You click on optimize and you will see optimized after that, and that will simply help you. Now power consumption alert is also very good because you will get a notification right up top here if there are some apps that are just draining your battery. So now moving on from these settings, we have the app launch, and here we can stop managing them automatically. We can disable the app launch and secondary launch, also the run in background. So now AI Space will not run in the background. Here, as you guys can see, let's do that. For example, for YouTube, if you have YouTube Premium, then you can keep run in background. But for example, we can keep it like this, and now it's managed manually. So that's what you guys can do to optimize your battery here. What are we going to do next is we're going to go over and you can go to display and brightness. Now here you can lower your brightness a little, and after you lower your brightness, it will also help your battery. After that, you can scroll down and go to refresh rate. The best setting is dynamic because it helps with battery life and smoothness. So it's 60 Hertz, but it just jumps to 120 if you're using it. Here, the standard to save the battery, and it's 60 Hertz. Here we have the high, but high, we all know that high is just forcing 120 Hertz, and this is not forcing it, it's just dynamic, so it will apply dynamically. And of course, as a last resort, what you guys can do is go over and scroll to system and updates, go to software update, and here you will see either new version available, or you will see that you're on the latest version. So here you click on new version available if you have them, and as you guys can see, the only fixes are the security patch, seamless iWork file access, lock screen, and home screen. So as you guys can see, that's about it for the update. We can just hit on install and it will start installing. Then we will have to restart our phone and the battery drain will be fixed. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.